The Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. The Sun is not silent. This sounds help scientists to study what can't be observed with the naked eyes. Please subscribe the channel to watch more informative videos like this. The Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect ball of hot plasma. It was formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of matter within a region of a large molecular cloud. Most of this matter gathered in the center, whereas the rest flattened into an orbiting disk that became the solar system. The Sun is not silent. The low pulsing hum of our star's heartbeat allows scientists to peer inside, revealing huge rivers of solar material flowing around before their eyes and ears. Data from ESA, European Space Agency, and NASA's Solar Heliospheric Observatory has captured the dynamic movement of the Sun's atmosphere for over 20 years. Today, we can hear the Sun's movement, all of its waves, loops, and eruptions with our own ears. This sounds help scientists to study what can't be observed with the naked eyes. Listen carefully.